Looking to prepare something easy and delicious to share and made in your very own kitchen? Well, here at Asai Guy Cooks, we have an incredible recipe for you with peanut butter caramel cookies. So let's get started. Let's start with the dry ingredients. Next up, the wet ingredients. Let's build the cookies. Set your timer for 15 minutes, and as always, ovens do vary. The Aztecs and the Incas first used peanut butter as a simple paste made from ground peanuts. In 1884, Marcellus Edson of Canada patented a method of producing peanut paste from roasted peanuts. By the 1920s and 1930s, industrial grinding machines and mass production helped make peanut butter more accessible. Today, peanut butter is enjoyed worldwide and remains a cultural icon, from peanut butter and jelly sandwiches to peanut butter cookies, which are two of my favorites. Let's make the peanut butter caramel sauce. Those look great right out of the oven. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's try one. While these cookies feature a soft, chewy peanut butter cookie base drizzled with gooey caramel for a perfect sweet and salty treat. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video, so head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Now that's an amazing cookie you'd be proud to make at home. Stay with us. Watch the next videos.